Hi, welcome everybody. It's your boy Senko C, and this first lesson and the first class. You know what we do. To those who just want to know a little about engineering, so we're just going to get here. Won't start from far. We don't want to go from all to tell you a lot of things. Just going to start from here. Just going to start here. Tell you about the 5 parts of engineering. 5 parts of engineering which work on everything in life, even your physical bodies. These five parts, these 5 steps, actually I can say it's steps, processes. Even a human being goes through these processes. First we have power source, conductor, control, application, output. The power source, it's where we get our power from. Then our conductor, I can say power source. Say for a car, for a car to move, the car needs to have petrol. The petrol will be the power source. You can say that. And the conductor, it's the cables and the wirings. Transport. Which transport the electricity, the power from the engine to the ignition. Then the car starts. Then the control, it's when you start the car. Then this application or the control is how the power is being controlled. You see, when you ignite your car, that's your control. Application is when you put gear one. You see, when you start removing car from the all the from the brakes. Take your car off the brakes. Application. Put gear one. When this car starts moving, that's an output. That is the work that is done at the end. So I'm saying here we have power source, conductor, control, application, and output. Amandla alawa nikeza into ukuthi imuve iye phambili.